Hello everybody, I am a HA Mobile Fix and today I have one iPhone 13 Pro Max which needed to change battery. When we look in setting about iPhone 13 Pro Max, here is port and service history. If you look battery unknown message or pop-up, that's meaning they already changed this battery. When we click on battery, here is battery information, battery health and charging. If you look, here is maximum capacity 98%. That's meaning this battery is good, but the customer said when is 70% charge battery and the phone getting off and the charging going very quickly. Before to change, it's important to know about this is another iPhone battery. Okay, if you look here, it's very important to know about voltage, capacity, energy, and port. 500 cycles is must be 80% battery health. That's meaning, for example, this is the battery, and here to here is 100%, and if we take like this, from here to here is 80%. When is this is the cycle, is one cycle is must be from 0% to 100% charging is coming one cycle. When is getting 500 cycles, that's coming 80% battery health. And in this moment, Apple recommend to change your battery. Let's go to check material. It's very important. This is the original material, the package service, Apple package service. It's very good quality. It's nice battery. I will take off this white protective, and here is glue to remove. One more here. Yes, it's fantastic. Just I need to clean little bit. Nice. When you take out the screen, it's very important to have experience. Otherwise, it's very easy to broke. Yes, it's clearly showing that the battery is not a very good condition. They're changing, but this material is a good quality. Maybe the work is not done perfectly. Let's go to remove. This is the battery I want to disconnect, but it's very important don't short. This is metal is not good for to remove the battery, but I have experience. Here is no screw metal. $3.85, and also here is 3.83. 5. It's a very small difference, but the small difference can't damage the phone. They just put like this. Okay. Okay. Charger cable. Yes. Here is coming the finish battery repair. That's good. restart and finish repair.